Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Meyer is using the correct project. Set project so relative paths work. Once done, open Hypershade and select the materials with missing maps. This lets you inspect each file node quickly. Make a short list of missing file names and note their expected folders. This initial gather speeds the relink process because you'll avoid hunting during node edits. Now move to batch operations to relink multiple files efficiently rather than one by one. Next, open the script editor and use a small Python or MEL snippet to iterate all file nodes. You change the image name attribute to point to the new folder path. Start by testing on one material so you confirm naming and separators are correct. Once validated, run the script across all file nodes to relink missing maps in bulk. Make sure you preserve relative paths when required and refresh the viewport to see updated textures. This avoids lingering cache issues while you verify results. Finally, refresh your scene by clearing the texture cache and forcing a viewport update, then save a new scene version so you can roll back if needed. If some textures remain missing, inspect file name case sensitivity and confirm file formats are supported by Maya. Also verify that any UDIM or sequence patterns are correctly referenced. One key troubleshooting tip: if relinks fail, temporarily point one file node to a known good image, confirm it displays. Then compare path formats to find subtle path or token errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.